कैसे हो दोस्तों। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा सारी चीज़ जो कि वैली रन के विंटर एडिशन के टाइम पे हुई थी एम्बी वैली एयर स्ट्रिप पे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी फर्दर अडू के। पोलो आर का बेसिक पुंटो माय वन ट्रू लव। I need to stop recording because I know that it's going to. Ciao, boy. Ka-ciao. Honestly.
What's happening? You're entering now or what? Tickets? We dropped somebody over there and now we'll.
यहीं पे?
That's mad.
Oh, the Mustang.
Fucking nowhere.
Why the hell is it so loud, man?
He did 70. Skoda Rapids.
It's rapid.
Next rider. People have made it possible for an amazing racing day over here at the Valley Run.
This is the R8 everyone is excited about. It's the twin turbo SR8B R8. It's going to go against Imran Majid's GTR. I'm quite excited to see the run because this thing does some mad shit.
Next rider.
You got the RS5, you got the twin turbo R8, you got the GLS. That's the Mustang. Quite excited about it. That's the M340i, GSX-R 911, is it there? I think it's the 530. It's probably a 530D. This is the M340i, and that is the Ducati Panigale. Is where the drag strip is.
If your number
This is
red in color, you go to the red lane. If it's green.
That thing makes some crazy noise. That is one of
We're going to see some big matchups. Let's have some fun.
you recognize what this is? I'll give you a little bit of a hint. This is the Imzilla, as it's known, and it's a crazy car. 1600 horsepower. I've seen it twice, thrice right now, but I'm quite excited to see it in flesh. Cannot wait to see this thing against SR8B's Audi. And of course, there's a good Honda City for our company. Must say it's crazy. Quite dusty. Have got a BYD seal, and I've seen this S5 sedan. I think I was, when Independence Day meet happened, I guess this was one of them. I may be wrong, but what a beautiful shade of blue this thing's got, man. Love it. there's again a tuned Polo, complimentary of the Valley Run. I have absolutely no idea what the fuck does this thing have. And there's a Valentino Rossi liveried car. This is the Honda Accord that I'm quite interested about. So this is the 700 bhp front wheel drive Honda Accord. Oh wait, it's the all wheel drive. Damn. Let's see what times this thing does. But this thing has got 700 bhp, and it's such a massive engine that it's got exhausts coming out of its front quarter panel. My goodness. These are a bunch of Mercs, but these are not just any Mercs. These are supposed to be drift cars, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to see later on in the drift show, which will probably take place right here. So excitement is up. And what a beautiful scenery this is, man. What a beautiful place. God knows what this is, but it's looking interesting. It's a 5 Series with some M Sport badges. This is another BMW. In the morning and for the afternoon, I'm pretty sure bike is going to be the main thing. And this is the GSX-R. Quite a few GSX-Rs. And this thing looks interesting. This is the ZX-10. Huh? Damn. This looks good. Story about this Polo. I saw this thing on the expressway the other day. It was being trailered और सचमुच काफ़ी interesting लग रही थी तभी. And in this flesh it looks even more interesting with this chopped carbon wrap. Of course we've got the Polo R, what we say, the R steering wheel, and quite a few good details. It has got the Q2 head tail lamps. It's got the Akrapovic downpipes. Looks good. Interesting to see the LC200 Land Cruiser. Damn, it has got a good presence to it. Did not expect that. Now I understand why हर एक नेता को क्यों ये गाड़ी खरीदनी है. Really has got that good looking presence, but a little awkward from the rear in my honest opinion. Stand right here. They've got quite a few good looking exhausts. Let's have a look at them. This is the Ultraviolet F77, the first EV bike with that good, like close to a good EV bike.
We got some cool ones on the track now.
We got Limitless Luxuries right there with the M8 and the Rolls Royce Wraith. This thing is crazy good. So does it. They're both the for sale, I'm pretty sure. R15 with all the crazy lights. I guess it will look even mad at night. This is the BSA Gold Star. I'm seeing it for the first time in the flesh. I cannot believe it. It looks quite good, I must say. And as you can see me. Hello, motherfuckers. Flying spur. It's got quite a lot of red tint on it. Tinted red glasses, as they say. I believe it's got the tan interior. Looks quite nice, exquisite. Little bit dusty under all of these conditions. Yeah, nice. 81675 casually goes out. Mad. So this N-Line has got these nice looking wheels. It's got the nice looking Nürburgring sticker. Looks pretty rad. In the parking, chilling in the parking lot, man. This is the Evolve X5. This is a Tata Aria, which has got oversized tires and has got that weird looking spoiler. I mean, interesting build. Kudos to the owner, man. Kudos to the owner. I would not do it. Drama here is crazy. E63 AMG with that nice looking fork, क्या बोलते हैं, tips. Got the rear screens also. Wow. Wow.
The rally runs with the edition with a supercar rally. Only here today, we got the whole special.
थोड़ा संभालो, उसमें करंट है, थोड़ा झटका खाएगा, मेरे पास मत आओ। Riders, please gear up once again. Riders, 306 Black Hayabusa. 306 Black Hayabusa. Also, dosto, all our riders and drivers for today, make sure you support our sponsors who have made the Valley Castrol stickers before you leave. Once again, all the Castrol and Jiggy Tire stickers are mandatory. Support our sponsors and make the rally run happen.
Tan leather interior, merino leather as it's known. I think that's the 97 Ron. It's got the Formula 1 light as the rear fog light. Damn. Damn, the twin turbo V10, crazy good.
दोनों की फोटो ले लो, नंबर और इसकी ले लो, एक ये वॉयजर की, और उसको बोलना प्लीज यहाँ से जल्दी से गाड़ी हटवाए।
At this point I was wondering what the hell is not there, and that was the G-Wagon. Thankfully here it is. And you get a good look. It's looks like it's in its element. अगर आप पीछे से इनफ देखोगे और इस एंगल से देखोगे आपको लिटरली बुलेरो लगेगी. So we got a little bit of a personalized car show. We got this Ferrari California. We got this very interesting looking 5 Series with some M performance badges, but it's not an M5. We got a Rolls Royce Ghost. That's the Porsche Cayman. That's Santosh's M3, the Maybach GLS. The M5, the true M5 F90, and I believe this is the M5 LCI. That's the Cayman. A little bit of a closer look. Carbon ceramic brakes. This is of course the M6 Grand Coupe sedan, the RS5, and this is of course the Lamborghini Huracan. Hummer has scissored.
How many of you here love to drift? I can only hear two.
This is
Make some noise if you want.
damn. I love the silhouette. Crazy. But this is the Mitsubishi Cedia. That's another McLaren, which is the 720S. That's crazy. And that's a GT3 RS. Got pink rims. That's another M340i, one of many. That's a Range Rover. This is the Audi TT. It's tuned by Venom Performance. That's an M340i, which if I just stuck a little bit up, you will be able to. This is the C200 compressor. Pretty budget sports car. This is a pretty good looking. And that is of course the Wild Child, which I was also inside at one point. I know this car. So damn, this looks good. This is the RS5. Sorry, this is the M4. Damn, M4 CS actually.
12 बजे तक करने का, 12 बजे जाके सोने का, फिर 4 बजे आने का. हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
This is one of our cars. It's a stage 3 VRS which produces 400 bhp. So it has actually, the sun has actually settled a bit and it's still quite sunny here, but we have got a lot of action happening in the parking lot just before the track strip. This is of course the Turbo S, the M4 CS. There's a Huracan in the front which we saw quite readily. We don't quite know when these cars will be going, but I am excited to see these cars and I'm going to keep up my phone's battery somehow until that happens. So let's see. So there are some recognizable cars that मतलब मेरी memory में कुछ गाड़ियाँ दिमाग में आ रही है. So that's the X3 that I have probably seen on Beachhow's Instagram page. Of course, this is the previous M5 and that's the Jetta I was talking about. This is the M2 Comp. This of course has got a lot of stickering and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's quite heavily modded. But the heavily modded car is up there, which is wrapped in the tennis ball green. Just recently, that car was actually grey. But it's looking crazy. Closer look at the Mugen RR body kit wala Civic. It's so low to the ground, like it's not even a joke. There's not even like a little bit of space between the ground and the front bumper. Like it's that low. Pretty sure it's on air suspension. N1 Concepts literally specializes in that. This is the Polo with the R kit, which is probably worth 60 lakhs at this point. Yeah, I think it's right. It's full carbon body and it has got the 2-liter TSI, which is swapped from other VWs. This is the X3 M40i for the people who don't realize it is. This is going to go on the drag run, and I'm quite excited to see this thing because it's modded to IL. It produces about 600 horsepower. Crazy. Ah man. Damn. This is of course the Honda City, which is quite interestingly done. It's got things done to it. It's interesting build. Looks nice. In-house build are always cool builds. So I'm joined by my boy Bhavneet, as I like to call him. He is my boss. He's been employing me for last 2 years. And tell me, bro, how are the feelings right now?
Honesty?
Yeah, honesty. Full honesty. Kai Vishway.
I want to go home. माझं झालंय. I just want to see my friends do their runs, and then I will take my car and I will.
So who are your friends, buddy?
Atharva Outrider, at Atharva Outrider, shout out.
All right.
He was doing a couple of runs in his ZX10R and his new Super Duke R.
Damn.
And Shweta Chitrode, the fastest female in the country. She has a Hayabusa with an extended swing arm. No, actually, she's running her Gen 3, a new bike, not extended swing arm, just stage 1 tune-ish with an exhaust.
Nice.
She did 10.3
On a Hayabusa.
on a Hayabusa. That also without an extended swing arm. It's gonna go low.
That's like unstable as fuck.
Not unstable as far as she's not used to it, so she's feeling like a little bit in the beginning. But the bike is nice and light, so it's doing pretty well after.
And what
50
about
meters?
Okay, and what about the mechanics boys?
Mechanics boys?
They are
You'll see
running
the cars run.
They've got the
according to schedule. Cars will run under floodlights, so it's going to be nice and it'll be fun to watch. And yeah, we are also expecting the TT from Wagmaster.
Is that the green one?
Yeah, that will. We are expecting it to do a 10.5, which is going to be pretty impressive.
Damn, that would be
And
nice.
hopefully we are going to shed
अरे
some.
रे लागलं नाही ना आपल्याला साहेब. थांबव.
And as I was saying, hopefully we are going to shed some weight with the shed some time with the VRS too.
Oh.
That's already the fastest stock block VRS
400
in the country.
bhp.
So hopefully we'll shed some time too, because we have been doing some fight tuning on it.
And have you? I don't think you've got the M340 on.
No, the M340i does not compete.
Achha.
It's a street build.
Oh, but like if it tries that, will it?
It will do sub 12s.
Respectable.
Sub 12. So yeah, on a stage 2,
Quite respectable.
12.5 is top.
That too, it's like rear wheel drive.
No, it's all-wheel drive.
No, rear wheel drive. Yes, you guys done the.
We can, but that will just be like pointless. No, to do it here. So we can just, we're gonna hook up the X-Drive completely. We're not gonna touch the differential at all. If we do, but we're not going to run it ever.
Yeah.
It's a fun car. It's not a competing car. So yeah, that's it.
And you are I would like to call you the veteran of the Valley Run because you have set a record in the Q3.
It's the fastest K4 category car to date, yes.
What did you set?
14.3.
That's
Yeah, that's cool. From just a normal stage 1 to 3.
and उसके पीछे दिमाग पूरा TDH पर होगा.
नहीं, उसके पीछे दिमाग ऑटो डिजीर का था.
अच्छा.
The
But you
network and the possibility of getting the Q3 was from TDH का network. But the guy with the idea was Niranjan from Auto Disc Shop.
Yeah. Instagram handle बता दो.
@AutoDesir_performance if I'm not wrong.
अगर
देख लो AutoDesir ढूंढ लो और आ जाएगा भाई.
हाँ, मैं डालने का प्रयत्न करूँगा.
Yes.
लेकिन is that a Raptor or is that an Endeavour with a Raptor?
It's a Thar that's been heavily modified.
Hello.
Yes. Welcome to India. But yeah, this is looking good. Not that many people. Just, I mean, safety they've tried, but then Indian people, Indian mentality.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're looking good. I'm having fun.
Same here. Thank you for getting me here.
Anytime.
चलो. Bye.
क्या हाथ मिलाना है कुछ क्या करना
आ जाओ हाथ मिला लो अपने को क्या. As the car category comes in, it's going to be crazy good. Now this is a GLC 53 AMG that I'm quite starstruck by. It's a GTA wrap. Damn. Apparently this is a Thar that's very heavily modified. Fuck. I do not believe it for even a second, but it's true. Look at that staggered Laura, man. Look at that. Crazy. You're not running it. It's looking nice. The 720S and the GT3 RS. Can't wait for these to go racing.
Next rider.
A more detailed look at the pink. It looks drastic and I think I love it. I'm pretty sure it's the Ruby Star Red which is there. It's a sight to see the rear wing in the flesh. It looks crazy good and you really can appreciate the intricacies of the rear wing. It looks like crazy. Those little bolts, the linkages, all that good stuff, they look crazy good. I mean the 720S wala bhi looks pretty well, but I mean, this is just a sight to behold. A cup car, a literal cup car. As you can see, there are these aero blades on the top. In the evening sun you can see the M2.
And it's time for the car category. The wheelie category is just over. It was absolute mayhem, and now it's time for the cars. We have some crazy matchups that are going to happen today, and some of our cars are part of it. So we are very excited. Let's find a good spot to get to see the cars in action. And yeah, time to chill. You do it again.
Now before I begin this video, it needs to be mentioned that the event was not managed with the best precision, and I think Valley Run needs to take some inspiration from Vroom in regards to barricading, because बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ कि लोग जो ड्रैग स्ट्रिप के जो लाइंस हैं उनको ओवरस्टेप कर रहे थे और वो सिंपली नहीं होना चाहिए था. दैट वाज अनएक्सेप्टेबल एट दैट पॉइंट. स्पेशली अगर आप कंसिडर करोगे कि सारे जो वैली रन अब तक हुए थे सिंस 2019, दिस 2024 विंटर एडिशन हैड द लोएस्ट क्राउड. सो दैट्स अनएक्सेप्टेबल. एंड इनफैक्ट एक पूरा लेन इनको बंद करना पड़ा था फॉर द रीज़न कि लोग उसको ओवरस्टेप कर रहे थे, एंड इट कुड हैव बीन अ मैसिव प्रॉब्लम इफ कार्स क्रैश्ड इनटू दैट साइड. So we are eagerly waiting for the car category to start. There's a beautiful scenery, as you can see. I'm pretty sure it's going to take the floodlights to start the crazy stuff. But let's see. Go ahead.
Let's do this one to be all the best in the senior. Make some noise for all the senior. Make some noise. Bring it on.
GTR आ रही है क्या?
attention to
साथ में दो हो गया क्या हुआ
thank you for not killing us
अच्छा भी I-10 को भी जाके क्लियर करने के लिए ओ बाइक्स भी भेजेगा यार माँ कसम राडे बने
चेयरमैन चाहिए I-10
Holy ma kasam. Are you for real, bro? Oy, shappan.
Can't see.
Are?
I think it's this guy.
कौन सा गाड़ी है रे नीचे से आ रहा है वो? हेलोजन। क्या मिला है भाई? Now before I end the video, मेरे को आप सबको थैंक्स करना है for the 2024 year. This year has been very good for me. I have met a lot of owners and filmed their cars and bikes. I'm going to show them in the coming months, so stay tuned for that. And अगर आपने 40 minutes पूरा देखा है तो मेरे को आपको भी थैंक्स करना चाहिए because मैंने इतना एडिटिंग नहीं करा है and I'm extremely sorry for that. And with that said, if you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for plenty more videos to come. And a happy new year!
It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.